Are you ready to start tracking the weather around your home like a pro? Whether you're an amateur meteorologist, weekend gardener, or just a concerned homeowner, it's important to monitor environmental conditions and weather patterns. With the WS7078, you can easily set up and install an affordable weather station that's ready to go right out of the box. Measure indoor and outdoor temperature and humidity, barometric pressure, wind speed, rainfall, UV, even light intensity. You can also expand your station by adding up to 7 more sensors to track soil temperature and moisture, conditions around your pool or spa, and so many other options. This is truly a complete home monitoring system that won't break the bank. Our LCD screen display is easy to read and allows you to check conditions in an instant. Check out the feels like temperatures and even moon phases on the console. The sensor array is wireless and connects to your Wi-Fi. You can even connect your weather station to ambientweather.net to share your data with others in your community for local weather reporting at its best. With accurate instruments including an anemometer, radiation shield, balance indicator, and solar panel, your WS7078 is a versatile tool for anyone interested in local weather and environmental conditions. Discover a low-cost and robust wireless weather station with the WS7078 today.